In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make glow effect in Inkscape. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add a clean, professional glow to any shape or text using Inkscape's built-in filters and a few simple adjustments. Start by launching Inkscape on your desktop. Give it a moment to load and make sure you're in the default workspace so your menus match what you see here. If you've recently updated Inkscape, the options we're using are consistent across current versions, so you should be all set. Next, either open an existing document or create a new one. If you're starting fresh, choose a page size that matches your project, print, web, or social. If you're working with an existing file, zoom into the area you want to enhance so you can clearly see the effect as you tune it. Select your object or text. Use the Select tool and click the item you want to glow. If it's text, you don't need to convert it to paths. The effect works on live text as well. Make sure only the intended object is selected so the filter applies to just that element. If the object has both fill and stroke, keep in mind the glow will read best around a solid fill. Go to the top menu and open Filters. This is where Inkscape keeps its visual effects. From there, choose Shadows and Glows. You'll see several presets designed for soft edges, illumination, and atmospheric depth. Now pick the option that suits your style. Drop Shadow is a great starting point. Set it to the Glow type to create an even halo around your object. If you want a luminous feel both inside and outside the shape, try In and Out. For a more dramatic, radiating presence, Emergence can add intensity and depth. Before you commit, turn on Live Preview in the dialog. This lets you see your changes in real time. Adjust the blur to control softness. The higher the blur, the wider and smoother the glow. Set the color to match your brand or contrast with the background. A subtle tint often looks more polished than pure white. If you're using drop shadow set to glow, reduce the X and Y offsets to 0 for a perfectly centered halo. Fine-tune the opacity so the glow enhances rather than overwhelms your design. When the preview looks right, apply the effect and close the dialog. That's it. Your object now has a clean glow effect in Inkscape. You can repeat the same process for other elements to create a cohesive, luminous look across your entire design.